Nakikipusap na sa ulan, mapaligas sa matalimang mga anino, umabalot sa lupa, paghari lang nais na batala. Mahiga ikaw ang tanging pag-asa, bilis ko lang nag-isa. Pagpunta sa'y tuloy na babalik ka. Sa paghamon ng gabi, sa buhay, susunod patungo sa
Sa layo-layo pa po ng aking pinanggalingan, mula sa isang natatanging lungsod, sa hilagang kanluran ng Kamaynilaan, people of Quezon City, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Wala rin po bang pwede jowain dyan?
Ay, marami. Magandang pala yan.
Joke lang po. I am a transgender woman who always believed that many has been part of history, but only if you condemn history itself. And this night, and this spectacle, in this public display, we transgenders bear history, and that will forever be our story. What a glamorous evening, beautiful people. Standing here before you is a fresh and indeed innocent 18 years old listener, taking in a Bachelor of Arts major in Broadcast Communication at FAR, Eastern University. And I am very humbled to share to all of you that I am consistent this lesson. I am truly all the way from the fishing capital of the Philippines, where the Pangisdaan Festival is celebrated, Navotas City. My real name is Cheska Ramirez, but tonight, since this is a pageant, distinguished panel of educators, ma'am, sir, and to all audience here tonight, let me carry and conquer the image of your one and only. Ako po, ang babaeng inalayan ng isang daang pula para kay Stella. Ako din po ang umuki kay Machete. And I am also the girl from the day after Valentine's. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay na palakpakan at iyawan? Sapagkat nasa inyo na pong harapan si Binibining Bella Padilla, the original. Miss Bella Padilla po na naniniwala sa kasabihan na hindi lahat ng masarap ay mahal. Parang ikaw, masarap naman, pero never minahal. At tatlo lamang po ang masarap dito sa mundo. Una, pera.
Wow.
Pangalawa,
Number one.
pagkain.
Nice.
Pangatlo, ay dahil ako. Kung hindi kayo sure sa pangatlo, text nyo ako pag walang tao sa bahay niya. At paalala lamang po sa lahat ng kandidata, tama na po tayo sa paramihan ng corona. Sapagkat ang tunay na reyna, wala dito, nasa baraha. Judges will always believe that for you to be able to be the best in national costume, it is not of how big, how extravagant or glamorous your costume is, but it is how you give a life, justice, and most especially stand out with the costume that you are wearing. Because let us always remember, it is not what you wear, It is how you wear it. And I am very proud to wear this Goddess of Beauty inspired in Greek mythology. Once again, I'm your candidate number 7 saying na ang lalaking hindi marunong lumingon sa kanyang pinagalingan ay daw nagtulala sa aking kagandahan. Thank you, ang galing.
Andresa, mukhang ina mo.
Ikaw ay tanging pag